Chattanooga is seeing pre-pandemic levels of eviction filings. The Community Foundation says rental assistance is over and now they need help to help people facing homelessness.
Liam Collins is here now to tell us what happens next. Liam?
Yeah, David, Cindy, eviction filings in the city have risen by more than 30% over the last 2 years. It's bringing those numbers back to the levels they were when the federal government decided resources were needed. And now those resources are gone, but advocates say the initial problem has not been fully fixed.
We think of this as post-pandemic, but we are still very much recovering from the economic loss.
The eviction crisis highlighted by the pandemic is back. Emily O'Donnell, legal consultant for the Community Foundation of Chattanooga, says her clients need help now.
Maybe families are like one flat tire or one sickness away from financial devastation. The pandemic is what proved that to be true.
Advocates like O'Donnell and the rest of the Community Foundation blame the worst of the pandemic for skyrocketing rates of homelessness and evictions. Homelessness in Hamilton County rose by 200% once the pandemic hit. More than 4,000 people in the county took advantage of federal rent assistance, saving them from losing their homes.
They just don't have the flexibility to go without the rental income that they need.
But now the $24 million in financial assistance is gone, and the eviction rates have returned to levels seen before the pandemic hit. The Community Foundation says it's seen a 30% rise in eviction filings, and more than 60% of its clients spend more than half of their monthly income on rent and utilities, a common indicator for people in danger of losing their homes.
It really does take the intervention at every level.
Meanwhile, housing costs have doubled over the last 10 years. The median sales price was $130,000 in 2010. Now it's $265,000. O'Donnell says there are major barriers and many evictees don't have access to a lawyer.
By providing legal assistance to tenants, we are advocating on their behalf. We're also leveling the playing field.
The Community Foundation's legal services are free for people who qualify for them. You can find a number for help on our website, local3news.com. David.
Liam?